Morning, guys. I have a collection video for you today. This is my collection of scuba gear. When I started recording this, I didn't realize I was missing so many pieces, but this is what I have. So this is my collection of scuba gear. I really like scuba gear, and over the time I've misplaced some pieces, which I'm going to have to track down eventually to complete some of these sets. But I have like 3 pairs of these fins. I'm not sure if they're g.i.joe or 21st century. I think they're pretty cool. They're a little big for the smaller feet Joe. So I'm kind of wondering if these are like for the classic collection with the bigger feet g.i.joes. Probably. Unless it's 21st century. But who knows? I'll have to look that up. If I figure it out, I'll include it in a text message a text across the screen. These are pretty cool. I like these. These fit pretty well. I don't think they're going to fall off. I can't tell you what type of fins they are, because I know they have different type of fins like deep sea and scuba. But these are pretty cool too. I really like these boots. I think they're MC Toys. Kind of looks like it. And what they do is they do this. So I don't think there's a difference between left and right. But when you get them on there, these part of the flippers will like cinch on them. So it kind of gives him an option to pull the fins or the flippers off. Are they fins or are they flippers? So I think that's pretty cool. Gives him the option. These might be for like the Scout swimmer sets, which these rebreathers come from. I'm not sure what brand these are. Might be 21st century. But I really like the rebreathers and Scout swimmers. I think they're pretty cool. There's another pair of fins. Again, I'm not sure. It says Hong Kong, so I'm not sure who made it. Might be g.i.joe or something. Then of course I got another pair of the fins like those, but somebody had cut off the back end of it, I guess, so they could fit them on their boots. Then here's another pair of those Scout swimmer type of fins. Scout swimmer type of fins, at least I think that's what they are. These are really cool. I like these. These are from Leonard. Leonard made a series of action figures for a while, and they were kind of very Adventure Team inspired. I have like 2 of these vests. These go with the Scout swimmer sets. And I used to have one that you could inflate. I'm not sure where that one is at the moment. I might have to recap this video. Here's another one of these type of vests. It's made of rubber instead of this pleather type material. Then of course you have the masks, the goggles. He's ready to go swimming. These are my favorite type of goggles to use. I'm a pretty good swimmer, and I like to wear these type of goggles when I swim. I got 3 of those. Again, I'm not sure what brand they are. Then I have one with a snorkel attached to it. I think it's pretty cool. This one I think is Leonard again. Yep, it's Leonard. Leonard made some really neat stuff. It fits him pretty well. I think the Leonard heads were a little bit bigger. So it might fit a Joe with larger scale head. There's another mask. Not sure what set it came with. Then I have a few of these. I think these are Adventure Team. Pretty sure this one is from the Danger in the Depths set. Which I have the sled for, but it's missing the little missiles. I bought the Danger in the Depth set. There's another snorkel. I think it might go with this one. Maybe. I don't know. Here's a like a diving wetsuit. Of course, it velcros in back. I think it's like Barbie or something. And then this reproduction. I think it was reproduction G.I. Joe piece. But yeah, I really like the scuba sets and like that. When I'm able to pull my whole collection together, I'll add to this video or make another video. There's another piece. This went to like the underwater. I think it was a deep sea diver or something. It was a G.I. Joe set. Have the other parts to this. I actually have the other ends to this. I just found them and put them together real fast. So I have two complete dive tanks. I just need the masks. Oh, and a dive belt. I forgot to mention the dive belt with the little weights. It's pretty cool. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Click that like button if you like this video. Share it with your friends if you think they would enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.